on Times Now. This is Breaking Ground and I'm Hina Gambhir. The big focus that we have for you, it's what's happening in the Congress party. Viewers, power tussle in the party and Parivar comes out in the open. After Congress party's Member of Parliament Imran Masood pitched Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's name as the PM face, businessman and her husband Robert Vadra plugged self. On being asked about Masood's remarks, Robert Vadra said there are demands that come from everywhere that Priyanka should come forward. There are also demands that he should enter politics. Listen in.
I think she has a bright future in politics, and I think a bright future in changing what is required on the ground in this country. I think so. And that is with taking everybody's consent in mind. You know, not her ideas only. The people's ideas are there to make the changes that they require. And I think this will happen in time. It's inevitable.
And viewers, Robert Vadra's comments come after Congress MP Imran Masood pitched for Priyanka Gandhi as PM, saying Priyanka Gandhi ko PM banao.
अपने प्रधानमंत्री से कहो, अगर दम है इंदिरा गांधी जितना तो घुस जाए बांग्लादेश के अंदर। प्रियंका गांधी को बना दीजिए प्रधानमंत्री, देखिए इंदिरा गांधी की तरह कैसे जवाब देकर आएगी। आप में दम है नहीं, बोलते हैं सिर्फ।
आप कह रहे हैं कि अगर प्रियंका गांधी बन जाती हैं तो उस तरीके से बांग्लादेशी हिंदुओं को वापस बुला लिया जाएगा। हम
बुलाएंगे क्यों उनको, उनके घर में बसाएंगे। इतना दम है हमारे अंदर।
Heard this first comment that we got from Imran Masood of the Congress party. Other Congress netas, viewers, are yet to react on this particular issue. But when we spoke with, in fact, Samajwadi Party's Fakhrul Hasan Chand, he seemed to suggest that these kind of statements are being made by Imran Masood just to stay relevant in the party. Let's go across to my colleague Niyamika joining us on the broadcast. More on this, Niyamika, what is the view of Congress party on what Imran Masood had to say? Because now, to top it up, actually, we've got Robert Vadra also, speaking on similar lines. Okay, we'll try and reconnect with, is considering Rahul Gandhi quite incompetent?
When somebody within the Congress party expresses and suggests that Rahul Gandhi is incompetent and his leadership is not acceptable to party karyakartas, and somebody like Imran Masood ji, who have been always supported by Rahul Gandhi ji, and he is seen as Rahul Gandhi ji's man. Yet if he is making this kind of noise, that only suggests that it's a divided horse, and now it is being spoken by his own confidant that Rahul Gandhi is a liability to the party, which is something which everyone in the country says.
Let's now go across to my colleague Niyamika, who is joining us on the phone line for more on this. Niyamika, when I was trying to connect with you earlier, I wanted to understand if there has been any reaction from other Congress netas on what first Imran Masood had to say, and later the reaction we got from Robert Vadra.
Well, yes, indeed. The chief spokesperson of the Congress party, Mr. Pawan Khera, has also reacted over the same. He has, in fact, targeted the BJP by saying that when all the questions are being answered by the opposition parties only, then they should be given a chance to be in power, to be in the government. As Pawan Khera has claimed that the Congress party is way better than the BJP in terms of governance. So that is the kind of clarification which has been coming in. However, he has also, backed the statement which has been given by Mr. Imran Masood. But basically what he was trying to say is about the Congress party being in government. He hasn't named Priyanka Gandhi Vadra or Rahul Gandhi in this particular controversy which has erupted after Imran Masood has pitched for Priyanka Gandhi's name for the PM face. He basically stated that if Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will become the Prime Minister, then she is also going to act similar to what was being done by Indira Gandhi. But when this question was being asked to Imran Masood as well, that whether he doesn't want Rahul Gandhi to become the Prime Minister, he tried to clarify his stance, saying that be it Priyanka Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi, whoever is going to be the Prime Minister of this country, then there will be much better ways which will be taken in to improve the situation which is being there in terms of the external policy. So basically, the Congress party is criticizing the situation which is being there in Bangladesh. But on the other side, the BJP is saying that this clearly shows that there is a rift within the Congress itself. There is one group which wants Priyanka Gandhi Vadra to become the Prime Minister, and the other group wants Rahul Gandhi to become the Prime Minister.
Right. Niyamika, request you to please stay on with us. Now, remember, viewers, Robert Vadra was actually reacting to a statement that was made earlier by Congress MP Imran Masood, who actually pitched for Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, the PM face of the party, and then her husband Robert Vadra said that there are demands from everywhere. Listen into what exactly he said.